Hello, my Nick-Nacks. How are you? I am well, as you guys may or may not have known. I don't know, I haven't been on for a while. All my videos are gone. What is going on? What is happening? Well, guys, long story short, I had to take down what I had to redo it and make it better. We'll just say make it better. But now, as you can see, I'm in a new location. What is this? Where am I? It's not a hotel. No, guys, it's not a hotel at all. Actually, new house. I moved into a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. With Jordan. You guys have met Jordan. I've shown you guys him before and whatnot. But anyway, new house, new me. Hi, how are you? Anyway, guys, so catching up what I've been going on. Not a whole lot, beside the fact that 1, I moved. 2, I'm actually getting a cat. I'm super excited. I'm getting a cat that's coming up the next 2 or so days. So that's really, really exciting. I can't wait. So I am getting a cat. Also, guys, besides moving into this place, my parents came down, both my moms, my brothers, and all the siblings. That was pretty cool. And then also later on, I guess before, my dad came down. So Jordan's met the whole entire family. That's really good. He is now officially part of the family. My family loves them. Not that jazz. What else? I celebrated my birthday. That was fun. It came and went. July 26th. Hello, babies. I'm a Leo. Also, we have Jordan's birthday coming up in September 11th. I know. Coming from an aviation person, his birthday is a tragedy. Couldn't help it. I guess we're just kind of meant to be. Aviation and aviation. But other than that, we're probably going to go do, what are we doing? We're doing Universal in October, so I'll probably take you guys along for that. We're doing Halloween Horror Nights and adventures, and all that sorts of things. Also, guys, one last thing. I'm going to be on a game show. I can't tell you too much about the game show. All I know is I'll give you guys a little hint. It involves me wearing a costume, like a Halloween costume. So you guys can kind of connect the dots in me wearing a Halloween costume and whatnot. But I don't know. Can't tell you guys. What do you guys think? But I am still going to be doing flight attendant related content. It's just going to be tweaked just a smidge so you guys can or cannot see certain things. I also don't know if you guys have seen this. My newest of my tattoos. I don't remember. Sorry, guys. I wish I did remember, but I don't. But that's about it. So let me show you around the rest of the house. Alrighty, guys. As you come in, you have my kitchen over here. We're going to scoot this way. We have the living room. And yes, guys, we have 1 door. We do have 2 doors into the house, but as you can see, kitchen. My Starbucks cup collection has grown since you guys have seen it last. But anyway, guys, let's continue on the tour. Living room, I do know it's kind of bare at the moment, but we're going to continue on. Master. I guess not master, they call it. I don't know what they call it now, but you're not supposed to call it a master. But anyway, master. Secondary room. Bathroom, not the best. We have linen closet. Extra closet. We'll go into the master. Basic master bedroom. We have a walk-in closet. And then over here we have Jordan's little setup, his streaming setup. Let's see if I can turn on light. No. Streaming setup, extra bedroom just in case the family comes over. And lastly, we have a secondary closet where Jordan keeps all of his knickknacks and whatnot and his Pop-Go figures. Whoop. Anyway, guys, so that is the little grand tour of what's going on in the house. Other than that, I haven't been doing too much. Moving and whatnot. Flying. I did go to Santo Domingo, and I wish I was able to record it for you guys. But I didn't. But I'm going to start bringing you guys back along with me. Can't wait. I've missed you guys so much. So how have you guys been? Have you guys been doing anything? Have you guys seen anything? Let me know down comments down below, guys. Also, alrighty, guys, now that you've seen the house and figured out like what I have and have not been doing with my life, this is where I'm going to wrap up the video today, guys. Don't give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Follow me around all my wonderful sorts of adventures, guys. Sorry I fucked up this outro. I'll get back into the groove. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.